Hey there, friends. My name is Jeff Fritz, and I'm here at Microsoft Build 2025. We've been learning about all the great announcements here, including AI, agents, .NET Aspire, and so much more. And if you haven't been here, we're going to bring some of that to you in July in a pair of workshops. The first, we're going to be talking all about how you can add artificial intelligence into your .NET applications. The second, we're going to be bringing .NET Aspire into our existing application systems and show you how you can make your application more resilient, have service discovery, and fantastic telemetry coming out of it. Those are 2 workshops coming up in July, completely free. Check out the links to learn more.